Due to the increasing cost on cloud storage expansion and maintenance, Google will end unlimited storage option on Google Photos from June 1st, 2021 onwards. So we have brought you some of the best alternative cloud storage option to store your photos. So in this video, we'll mention top 4 alternative to Google Photos to back up your photos and all. So on number 4th, we have Amazon Photo. It is not completely free, but here is a catch. If you have taken the subscription for Amazon Prime, then you will get full resolution unlimited photo storage and up to 5 GB of video storage. And for everyone else who has not taken Amazon Prime membership, gets 5 GB free storage for both photos and videos. It has got the Play Store rating of 4.6. On number 3, we have Jio Cloud. Jio Cloud provides you with more than 50 GB of free online storage through refer and on program and promotions time to time. It has got Play Store rating of 4.3 on Play Store. And also it contains ads, as you may have guessed. On number 2, we have Diigo Cloud storage. As you can see on the image on your screen, it's written 100 GB free cloud storage, which is what this app actually offers. But you can get some extra free storage by watching an optional sponsored video, which also makes it clear that this app contains ads as well. And it has got the Play Store rating of 4.2 stars. And finally, we have our number 1, which is Dobox Cloud Storage. With Dobox Cloud Storage, you get up to 1 TB of free storage to back up your photos and videos on registration itself. And it has a Play Store rating of 4.4 stars. These are the best alternative of Google Photos. None of them are completely free and unlimited, but 1 TB storage is quite massive for Dubox Cloud Storage. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel, and also comment down if you want us to make a video on a specific topic. We'll hear that out and make a video. And this is all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Until my next video, peace.